In this video we're going to talk about how to deposit money on Tastyworks, how to trade options there, how to buy calls and puts, and how easy it is to follow my predictions from my Patreon account. First of all, this is Tastyworks. You have the link in the description of this video. I think this is the best platform for trading options because it also gives you the percentage of probability that your trade has to succeed. Of course, when you see that you have less than 2% chances to succeed in a trade, maybe you should reconsider that trade and try something else. How to fund your account for international accounts using Bankwire and Currency Fair. For this example, I will use Bankwire. I will give you some screenshots from the app that I'm using. You need to put the name of the beneficiary, its account, country, address. You have everything here. SWIFT code, routing number, bank name, the amount you want to send. And under the payment description, very important, you need to put your account number that you will receive after you open your Tastyworks account. Fee type, and that's it. In 3 to 5 days you will have your account funded. For this example, I have a signal that I wrote on my Patreon account. You have also the link in the description of this video. On December 12th, an institution bought a strong block of puts worth $1.1 million for Warner Bros. Discovery, and it's important to know that blocks of puts are instruments for institutional investors. We can't buy blocks. They are usually privately negotiated in real time. If we bought, for example, for 20,000 at this premium puts, we most likely determine an increase in price. But in this case, if you buy using dark pool prints or outside of an exchange, it won't change its price. So when you see blocks of calls or puts or institutional buys of shares of a company, this could be a strong signal that you could follow. This was the expiration date, December 23rd. Entry price 11.14, strike price 9.5, and premium paid $0.08. Looking at the chart, this was a potential double bottom. Now, because the stock is trading at only $9.03, the 9.5 strike price went from 0.08 to $0.52. So it was a 6.5x increase in only 8 days. If you follow this options trading signal that I had here on my Patreon account. Of course, this is not trading advice. How you buy calls. This is the calls column. This is the puts column. When you want to buy, you click here to place a limit order. If you don't want to accept this current price here, you put a limit price and set it usually in the middle. If you don't like it or it doesn't get triggered, it's working and it's not triggering, then you go here, clear. If you want to sell calls, you would better have the stock, or if you bought the calls, you are going to click the opposite here and you're going to see a sell instead of a buy. But usually what we do is to buy calls and puts, the easiest strategy. We also do option strangles, but usually we do this ahead of earnings when we think that it will follow a move higher than 10% in order for that strangle to be profitable. In that case, you buy a call and a put, both at the money close to each other. I hope it was useful, and if you have questions, feel free to leave me a comment and ask me something about this app, and I will gladly help you.